guys, Colonel Ninny here. This series of video tutorials is designed for the brand new player to IL-2's Battle of Stalingrad. It's a very complex flight sim and there's a lot to learn. And to help you get there faster, check out my channel. I've got over 100 tutorials that will guide your progress. This is mission 8. In mission 8 we're going to be doing a high altitude patrol at 15,000 feet. So we're going to be going over Jülich and Munchau and Malmedy, and if we don't see anything then we'll head straight back home, back to Vulcan. There are scattered clouds at 5600, so navigation will be much easier than in the previous mission. We'll start today's video over waypoint 3, climbing through 8,000 feet. Okay, coming through 8,000 feet here, we're going to increase the boost, the throttle. And we're going to climb to 15,000. So what's different here is we have to engage the Supercharger at 9,500 feet. And that is this little gear down here, and it's activated by the left shift S button. We'd say that for normal operations below 9,500 you're in Super 1, and then you go to Super 2 going through 9,500. Coming back down you have to remember to change it back to Super 1 or you will cook your engine. If you look at the boost pressure, as I disconnect, coming back to Super 1 from Super 2, you'll see it drops down, so we're losing energy here. So putting it back up to Super 2 makes a huge difference. If you forget to turn it off, you will be over boosting and putting it into the red, so pay attention to it once you come through 9,500. So reading the altimeter here, we're coming through 14,500 for 15,000. Always thinking ahead, we're almost over Venlo at waypoint 3. We're going to turn right to 165. And that's where our patrol begins in 5 to 6 minutes. Now that very distinctive town down there, Mönchengladbach, at 10 o'clock. Up ahead here we can see this big forest, so our area will be here to patrol. Now there's the town of Jülich down there. The lakes at the other end. Okay, on station here we'll do our patrol as a 180360 racetrack. We'll do it to the left. And coming around to 360, we've pulled the power back to conserve fuel and keeping our eyes open. In these cold temperatures you really have to watch that you don't cool your engine too much.
Target destroyed.
Between 40 and 90, that's the normal operating range. Sorry, 60 and 90. So there are no air targets that we can see from here, and it's really quite difficult to see ground targets down there at this distance. So I think we'll just proceed with our mission to the next patrol point. Head on a swivel here. Looking in sectors.
Charlie 4, engaging attack plane. It's close. Out.
Charlie 3, target destroyed.
So the town of Munchau for the next patrol should be just to the right of this squiggly lake feature here. And we can see that lake down there at 11 o'clock. Okay, we have aircraft up ahead. I'm going to tell my guys to engage. Damned AI shot them down before we could get there. Okay, let's get back on track here. 190. Okay, we're going to head off to the next waypoint. I think it's waypoint 6, Malmedy 230. Maybe we can get there before the AI do so that we can shoot something down.
Rocket 6. Engaging fire to the north. 5. Range half mile. Out.
Ripper 4. Target destroyed.
Well, I'm not finding anything up here. We're heading home, 007 degrees. We'll stay up at 15,000 for a while.
Charlie 4. Requesting landing approach. Over. Charlie 4. Roger.
Make a correction here. To get back on track. So there's the town of Helmand and the airfield next to it. Helmand airfield. If we just go straight north now, or 350, should take us right to the airfield. So we'll start a descent here. And at this altitude we should be able to see the airfield, and there she is, right there. So something new for us now is we are in the descent. The boost pressure is going to increase as we come down, so we have to keep an eye on that. And once we get through 9.5, 9,500, we have to turn the supercharger off. So boost is coming back, power is coming back, coming through 10, 9.5, supercharger 2 is off. Now the skill here is to try to lose the speed and get down to our approach speed so we can drop the gear and drop the flaps. If we drop gear and flaps too soon, while we're going too fast, they're going to fall off. The wind's going to blow them off. Notice there's a red flare there. And that's because I'm approaching on the other end of the runway here. That's going to get everybody excited. So I got to break off and land on a different runway. So look at my low airspeed. I need to add power. Lots of power. Keep it flat. Get that speed up.
3. Airborne.
Baffin 4. Airborne.
Normally you'd pick up the flaps and the gear, but sometimes you might sink as you drop the air, the lift from out underneath your wings. So coming around and landing still with gear and flaps down. Yes, an uninteresting and uneventful flight, but we did learn a few things. I've yet to have a real dogfight here. Maybe next time. So, thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you on Mission 9. As always, if you've enjoyed this video, found it helpful, please like it or subscribe. Or if there's another topic you'd like me to cover, please leave a comment. Thank you, guys.